Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to disable ads on the default browser of Vivo Y21. Let's get started! Step 1. Open the default browser. First, open the built-in Vivo browser. Step 2. Go to Settings. Once it's open, tap the 3-line menu at the bottom or top corner. Then choose Settings. Step 3. Turn off recommendations and notifications. In the Settings menu, look for Notifications and Recommendations. Now turn off options like Ads, Content Recommendations, or Promotional Notifications. Step 4. Block pop-ups. Next, go to Site Settings, Pop-ups, and make sure it is set to Blocked, so no ads can suddenly appear. And that's it! Now your Vivo Y21 browser is free from annoying ads. Super easy, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.